My bestie, my love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing avocado hair mask, deep conditioner, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to be using fresh aloe vera. You guys can see it's fresh. It's got all this, see, all this juice. And we're going to be also using olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to also add, to the best of them all, the coconut oil. I mean, guys, you can't go wrong with coconut oil. And make sure that it's 100% pure coconut oil. And yeah, we're going to start with the aloe vera. I'm going to put the aloe vera here. And then I'm going to take the aloe vera, put it there. And we're going to get rid of the sides, you know, the prickly stuff, because honey, no one is trying to get stabbed while you're doing this process for both our aloe veras. So it looks like this now. So now we're going to slice it open so that we can start draining and squishy our juice. Guys, I'll say this process can be very dangerous. Oh, make sure you do it very slow and very cautious, because aloe vera is very slippery, and aloe vera and knife, not a good combination. So look at that, guys. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the goodness for your hair. So I'm going to be using a spoon because it's safer that way. I don't like to use a knife because I'm scared. Okay. So now we're gonna bring this bowl closer so you guys can see me. Taking out the aloe vera from the leaf so we can get our juice out. I mean, guys, I'm proper scrubbing off the juice because every penny counts. Okay, we're not about to waste our aloe vera, hence why I'm using the spoon, so to make sure that it's dry, there's nothing left. And then obviously on this one, the other one, there's not much juice left because sis is not messing about. Like, I'm taking out every inch of this juice because you see, done. So now, oopsie, now we have our juice. So now, guys, remember, so juicy, juicy. Oops. God, it's so slippery. Please be careful. I'm gonna put it in the blender. I'm using my juice maker, my smoothie maker, because my bullet decided to stop working. So this is what I'm using, my basic smoothie maker. We're gonna blend this until it's watery. I need somebody to Guys, we're doing this so we can get rid of any chunks, because we don't want it on our hair, because it's really hard to take it off your hair, guys. So make sure that you strain it using a a sock. We're using a strainer, which I'm gonna do in a minute after this first process. My juice is now, guys. It's time for the avocado. I'm gonna slice it in the middle. Let's hope it's nice and ripe and not rotten, because honey, nobody got time. Look at that. So I'm gonna put it here, guys. I'm gonna use the clear bowl again so that we can see what we're doing. So now we're gonna put a tablespoon of coconut oil. It's in room temperature, so it's easy to blend. So there you go. Olive oil, extra virgin oil, guys. Two tablespoons of this, Lord God. Guys, I had to add a bit of castor oil as well because I've run out of my Jamaican black castor oil, but this one works just as good. So I'm only gonna put only 1 tablespoon of that. Now, guys, look, this is what we have. We have this mixture. So I'm gonna try and mix it up now and mash it a little bit.
You're special and you're reckless.
We're gonna add it. Make sure that you finish it. Take out every juice because we're not taking any chances, babe. Let's mix it and see what we got.
The one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. As I see you.
We're gonna strain this avocado so that we know that it's got all vitamins that we need. Now, guys, it's time to apply this baby on my clean shampooed hair. Welcome back, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm bringing you shampooed clean hair. This shampooed clean hair that we're gonna use my homemade conditioner. It's gonna be a messy one, so make sure you have a towel with you because you're gonna be dripping wet of water and obviously the conditioner. Make sure you apply it evenly so that each part of your hair. I'm sitting in the window and people passing by can see me, so I'm gonna try and not be shy when my neighbors watching me record. So let's go on and apply this conditioner evenly on my hair, guys. The truth is I'm experiencing a lot of shedding. My hair is shedding really badly and is breaking. I don't know why, but I haven't been eating well as of lately. I think that could be the issue, so we're putting this. And twist. We're gonna do the whole head like this. Also, guys, you know, I don't know, but I feel like the longer my hair is getting, the texture is changing, especially my hair at the back. The longer it's getting and the texture is changing, so I'm waiting to see what the next 2 years of my hair growth is gonna look like, because I don't know if my hair is moving from 4C to full on 4B. My hair is tangled, but it's not something that we cannot work with without using a comb. Okay, the cows. Make sure you massage it evenly, okay? Let's put a bit more on the end before we twist it. Guys, I finally applied the deep conditioner onto my hair. This is what it looks like. So now I am going to leave this on for 45 minutes while I do what I need to do in the house. And once again, today I'm not going to use my heat cap because my hair is not very dry. It's not dry at all actually. So yeah guys, this is how I deep condition my hair using my avocado and aloe vera deep conditioner, and I'm also going to use the Getter. So yeah guys, this is it, and thank you for watching. So thank you once again. See you on my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment and share, and I will list all the ingredients that I used again in the description box below for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go now guys, so you have a lovely day. I'm gonna have a lovely day because it's a beautiful sunny day. Let's get this hair popping. So I'm gonna go now. I'll see you on my next video. Take care of yourselves.
You're my bestest friend, yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can